So this is the Supra Curl 3-in-1 rotating curling iron. It's the most incredible tool for getting all those effortless styles that you want to achieve. First, let's take a closer look at what this curling iron comes with and go over the easy to use Supra Curl 3-in-1 rotating curling iron. So it comes with 3 interchangeable barrels, a small barrel which is 3/4 of an inch for those tighter curls, a medium 1-inch barrel, and a large barrel which is 1¼ inches for those bigger curls. Then it also comes with a heat resistant glove included for added safety while curling. To switch out the barrel size is super easy and convenient. All you want to do is screw off the top, pull off the size barrel that you're going to be using, and then you can add any size barrel onto the existing curling iron here. Super easy. And let's go over what these buttons do. This one with the U is for unit, and this allows you to choose temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Then you can use the plus or minus buttons here to help set the temperature range from 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Another cool feature is there's a built-in timer on this Supra Curl that will beep once after you've been holding the curl for 8 seconds, twice after 12 seconds, and 3 times when it's been on your hair for 16 seconds. Then this button here, L for left and R for right, the direction in which the curler will rotate your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your bouncy curls with the Supra Curl 3-in-1 curling iron.